Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to send high quality photos on Fiverr, and now let's dive right in. Now to send high quality photos on Fiverr, first open up your Fiverr app, and after opening your Fiverr app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a more button available for us at the bottom right corner with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button, and over here tap on settings, which is just above my notes, and you will land over here on this interface. Again, tap on the media option available for us just above the storage. Tap on media and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to send high quality photos on Fiverr, you can see where it says the photo quality at the top of the screen. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear. If it's on good or compressed, make sure that you change it to excellent on the choose the quality of photos you sent, and that will be done. And after doing that guys, at the bottom of the screen where it says restrict data usage, Fiverr will optimize for minimal data usage on mobile network. If it's turned on like this on your case guys, make sure to tap on it and turn it off, because if you're on mobile data, Fiverr will restrict the data usage and it will send low quality photos on Fiverr. With that being done guys, you will start to send high quality photos on Fiverr. And there guys, this is how to send high quality photos on Fiverr. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.